Good Friday morning. This is 106.1 KYVZ. Visiting now with meteorologist Chris Sramek. And Chris, we have some slick places out there this morning. Some schools have delayed start time, and really just a good morning to be careful as you head out and about.
Yeah, Joe, we've got this winter storm that's still rotating through. It's actually the low pressure centers in the Texas Panhandle, and that'll slowly meander towards Oklahoma City later today. That heavier snowfall is down there to the south in southwestern Kansas and heading towards that Wichita area, but we still continue to have these light bands of snow. And when it isn't snowing, you got that patchy, drizzly, foggy thing out there conditions, and it with the no wind at all pretty much, that's sticking on the roads, and we're getting reports of partially covered snowy roads and slick spots on the roads and the sidewalks. So be careful when you're going out there this morning. I know area schools are having a delayed start, and it looks like we'll be with this kind of weather through the morning. Good to see if you get some of those bands of snow. Right now, it looks like the heaviest ones are north and west, or north and east and west of Oakley, heading towards the Hoxie area. They're actually rotating back to the west, so they're moving westward as that low is rotating. Got a heavier patch around the Bird City areas, McDonald, some to the north and east of Goodland, and some stuff out there just to the north of Brewster. Those are the heaviest areas now that could pick up those, maybe a dusting or another inch of accumulation yet here this morning. And again, we've got that fog, so be careful if you're out there driving around or expecting to go anywhere. Temperature-wise, the cold spots at Burlington at 27, the warm spots at Oberlin at 30. Everybody in between there is at 28 or 29. And it looks like those temperatures will hold. We'll start to see precipitation in during the afternoon, and those temperatures will probably warm up to around 32. And then the skies will clear overnight. We'll see lows drop to around 21. And then tomorrow and over the weekend, we'll warm up to some seasonal values in the middle to upper 30s. Got that winter storm to watch on Monday. We're still thinking 3 to 5 inches of snow. Could see wind gusts 40 to 45 miles per hour, so there will be some blowing and drifting. The lighter amounts will be to the north and west up there, St. Francis, Benkelman, Trenton, maybe even Atwood. You get down there towards Colby, Oakley, and heading towards Hayes, and they'll start picking up. We could see potential there in north central Kansas of some heavy snow and blizzard-like conditions with that system. And then looking even longer term, later in the week and next weekend, we still are talking about a couple more disturbances coming through, have potentials for snow from Thursday all the way through Sunday. Could be light, could be heavy, could be blowing. And the other thing to take a concern and start preparing for is it does look like it's going to grab some Arctic air. We could be talking high temperatures in the teens, lows and wind chills going below zero, and just a cold period of weather here over the next 10 to 14 days.
Once again, that's meteorologist Chris Sramek joining us here this morning on 106.1 KYVZ. Tune in every morning at this time as we chat with Chris Sramek. For KYVZ, I'm Joe Vyzourek.